Hi friends, WordPress is a great platform for creating professional websites. We are exploring wonderful WordPress themes on this channel. In this video, we are going to create a dedicated website for online course, single online course. For running one course online, this website is going to be very perfect, and the theme that we are going to use and overview is called OneKorse. So pronunciation is OneKorse, spelling you can see, and the theme is dedicated for online education and LMS system. So I'm happy to record this video as I'm covering most of great WordPress themes in education sector on this channel. You can explore other themes as well, but in this video we are going to create this wonderful website for a single course. So let us start without any further delay. But yes, if you are watching this channel, this video for first time, don't forget to subscribe this channel if you are anyhow connected to WordPress or WordPress websites. To start, I have this fresh installation of WordPress, and this can be simply installed using the WordPress Manager by Softaculous, available at cPanel based hosting plan. For getting hosting plans and rest of resources for your WordPress website, you can simply explore the links given in the video description. The theme, particularly OneKorse, is LMS education theme, and it has been developed by Buddha Themes. They are elite author at Theme Forest, that is on Envato Market. This is a Elementor page builder based WordPress theme, and it has got best customer rating. You don't need any coding skill for using this theme, and you'll get all the things that you need for starting an online course website. The theme particularly come into existence in this year only. This is almost a new theme, and the updates are also being done time to time. Okay, so let us proceed. This is core installation, and it is running the 2024 default WordPress theme on the latest version of WordPress. And website is looking like this for now with default theme. We are going to install the OneKorse WordPress theme, and we can target any of these two websites. So the theme has two pre-made demos, and you can explore all the features through the links. In the theme pack, you are going to get the theme itself, the child theme, the documentation link, and the licensing part. So we are going to use this installable theme file. It is showing a bit higher in size. It is showing around 87 MB. What I'll do, I'll upload the theme directly through the file manager. So I'll come back to the control panel on cPanel. So you might be using another hosting that is available with another panel, but yes, file manager is always available. I'll go to the respective domain, WP content directory, themes, and here we can upload the theme file. Click on upload. We need to select the installable file, that is onecourse.zip file. It will hardly take few seconds in uploading the theme file. You can see the speed. So it is always recommended to use a WordPress optimized hosting plan, and you can avail the great hosting providers. You can explore the great hosting providers at WP Themes website and avail the hosting at the best rate. So just explore the links. Once the progress bar turns green with 100%, we can simply go back and extract the uploaded file. Extraction will bring this folder called OneKorse, and we have all the components of theme in this directory. Delete this zip one, it is not required, and it is taking hosting space, disk space. Now we are fine to move forward. Just close all this, and at themes screen, we have OneKorse as another theme option. I'm using OneKorse version 1.0.2, and it has been developed by VDesign Tech team. When you will order the theme through the video description link, you have to buy the theme through the video description link, and that is an affiliate link that will redirect you to the themeforest.net. When you will order the theme, you might be getting an updated version as per availability. But yes, the features and the installation process will remain almost same. Once you buy the theme through the video description link, you can join the iCreate program. And at this program, you'll get a mentor support for completing your website. So it is going to be free for you. If you are not buying the theme through the link, even you can join the program. It is all for you. Okay, to proceed further, we can activate the theme that has been installed. Okay, upon activation, we have this alert that we need to install certain plugins in order to get the complete functionality. Elementor is here as page builder. OneKorse Plus is and OneKorse Pro is two pre-packed plugins that has been supplied. Unison is the framework. This is also great with Elementor. We designed Tech Elementor add-on. It is for add-on on Elementor. We designed Tech LMS add-on. Okay, it is also pre-packed. Contact Form 7 as usual, and OneKorse Shop is here. We designed Tech Portfolio, WooCommerce. So yes, this theme also supports the e-commerce activity. So I can see most of the plugins that is mostly required has been developed by the theme developer itself. It means you are going to get a stable website since all plugins are coming with the theme itself and all are going to be compatible. You don't need to worry about the compatibility of the plugins. Yes, plugins. So now I am going to install all these plugins. 12 plugins are here. I'll try to install all these 12 plugins in a single attempt. I have selected all and selected install, clicking on apply. Let us see if it can install. Okay, something went wrong. So I'll install plugins one by one. It will avoid the error during the plugin installation if we are installing the plugin one by one. However, it may take a while, of course. But yes, this is a very, very good process for installing plugin in an error-free manner. So the plugins are being installed and activated along with, and we can keep going for installing rest of the plugins one by one. So it is going super fast, and we can simply, okay, so Unison is causing some trouble, but yes, we can download Unison separately. It is not a matter of big deal because Unison is a free platform and we can install it separately as well. Installed and activated. I'm getting this message for all the plugins. Rest of plugins. Contact Form 7 is now being installed. Yes. OneKorse Shop. And when you will install the WooCommerce, it will also need an additional setup, and we can simply complete this setup by following on-screen instructions, and it is going to be super simple again. And education and learning. Okay. And we don't need these additional plugins. Turning on the lights, it means the WooCommerce is being installed in the background. Okay, so we can go to the plugin section again and to install the rest of the plugin. And only 2 plugins are remaining. I'll try to install these 2 plugins in a single attempt. And finally, I have also downloaded the Unison. You can also download, it is free plugin. And you can download the Unison at unison.io. This is the address, and you can download this Unison free. Okay, so now plugin installing and activation is going on. And finally, I'm going to upload the Unison separately. Add a new plugin. Upload plugin. Choose the file unison.zip and click on install. So we have installed all 12 plugins along with the theme itself, and now I'm activating Unison as well. Let us take a look at our website, how it looks with the theme and all setup plugins. Okay, so this is the basic look of website and it don't have any data as of now. And we have target website like any of these. We have two great options that we can select. For creating this demo website, we need to import the demo content. And I'll find the option where we can import the demo website. Under appearance, it is not. Under tools, it is not. And I'll check the Unison extension first of all. Okay, so the backup. Okay, so other extension, backup and demo content is not installed. So I'll install it first. This will bring the demo import functionality at our installation. Now it has been installed and active. I can check further. Under tools, we have now demo content installed. I'll follow this link and click on this install option that is coming through the Unison. Okay, and now the demo content import process is begin. Unison importer and the demo content importer using Unison takes time, but it works very fine. It brings all the data in a very suitable manner. It also resizes the images that is really necessary for nowadays for making the retina ready websites. So you have to wait on this screen. As you can see, the 460 images is to be downloaded and is to be resized. So it is of course going to take time. It may take up to 10 minutes as I can calculate, but it may vary depending upon your server capacity. Don't disturb the screen, don't hit the back button until you are getting any message on the screen. Once the image resizes gets complete, the system will redirect us to the new website. It is a good thing. And now I am at my new website. This is the new one. And I got both the home pages here at my installation. I mean, the installation remained successful without any trouble. I have installed this wonderful WordPress theme with this wonderful layout. I like this layout very much. It is dedicated to a single course, but the presentation of content is really very professional. So it has all the features, as I said, for running a single course website, and you can choose this theme without any doubt if you are willing to create a website for online learning management or a single course. Now I'll take you to the back end of this installation to show you rest of the features. Okay, database updation is required. And I'll show you the rest of features so that you may be very confident about this theme and take a wiser decision to buy this theme through the video description link. And this is the back end of this installation, and I'll show you the new navigations what we got in this installation so that how we can proceed for the customizing rest of things we may come to know. Unison is just a framework that we have already used. LMS is the system that is coming from the learning management part, and we can list all the courses here, all courses, classes, lesson, quizzes. This is a complete learning management system, and it uses LearnPress, I believe. But yes, it is a bit customized by the theme developer itself, and you can list all the courses in this section. Yeah, you can see the demo courses are here, and you can start editing these existing courses or upload new course without any doubt. And I must tell you one thing, if you have any question regarding the course upload or course feature and updating the course or running the quizzes, lessons and all such things, you can simply write a line in the comment section of this video, or you can join the iCreate program and you can connect a mentor through this mentor connect link, and we are here to support you in every manner. So this is the website now, and I am going to help you in making your website live and up. Okay, don't worry. So this is our website. And uh, for rest of things like portfolio is to be handled from this portfolio section. It is also having some demo pages. So you have to delete these pages or you have to edit all the contents of these pages. Next, I can see the header is a new thing where we can find the header that has been used. Similarly, footer is a thing. All these header, footers and pages had been made using the Elementor page builder, and you can simply edit the content using the Elementor page builder. Mega menu, again, you have to edit from the Elementor, and this is section for mega menu. Next, I can see all things are as common as in WordPress installations. WooCommerce is of course here, so you can run an e-commerce website, like you can upload the products for selling those products online. It may be a course, it may be a book or so. So this is the WooCommerce section, and you can upload a product, list a product using this all WooCommerce option. So again, if you have any doubt regarding this, you can get in touch with us. The only thing that I can show next is the OneKorse setting. This is the setting screen, and I can see only two options are here. So product template and the product archive. So it is not so having much links. Next, I can explore the customize option where we can do most of the things, I believe. Let us check this as well. Okay, so site general settings, under header, we can choose the header. So for editing the logo and rest of things, you can use the header portions, header option, and rest of the colors like thing can be controlled from here, site identity and all. So it is simple controlled, and you can choose the header image and the background image and rest of things. So it is again going to be super simple for you. So I believe you will be able to edit all the sections. Like if you are targeting to edit the header, I'll show you just an option, edit with Elementor. I just wish to show you how easily you can edit with Elementor, and I'll also show you the page contents edit using Elementor. So header default is here. If you want to change the logo, simply upload the logo here, and you can simply change the things. And similarly, you can edit the menu and the columns, hamburger menu and all. And if we talk about the page, I mean, if you are choosing the second home page like home instructor or even this one, you can simply edit the content using edit with Elementor option. And this drop down shows the elements that has been used on the page, and you can simply click on these links for editing the elements sections that is loading on the page. For editing the main content, I mean the main page, you just need to open the page that you want to edit, and Elementor Builder will help you for the next step, that is for editing the content, images and all the things. You can use this navigator for reaching in the certain sections, and even you can go directly to the section using this pencil icon and all. What you have to keep in mind, just use the same dimension of image, same length of text content, so that you may maintain the design integrity of website. Rest of the things will be fine. And for any support, we are here. So start creating a single course online learning management system website using this wonderful WordPress theme called OneKorse. And in the next video, I'm coming with more WordPress resources. And I believe this video help you in understanding the installation steps and the features that is available in OneKorse WordPress theme. And you will be able to make a wonderful website using this theme. Let us meet in the next video where I'm coming with more great WordPress resources. Till then, goodbye, keep watching, keep building. Thank you.